Hello and welcome to this video for Faceless.me. In this video we're going to be covering the Windows program called Faceless, which is going to allow us to hide our IP address. So to download the software you can head to the website. It's Faceless.me. And once you get to the website you'll see that there's going to be a green download button. If we click on that green download button we can go ahead and download the installer for the software. And once the installer has downloaded, we can go ahead and launch the installer and start the installation process. Okay, so I've gone ahead and launched the installer, and now we're going to go ahead and begin installing Faceless onto our Windows PC. So once the installer pops up, we can click on the Next button. Go ahead and accept the user license agreement and click on Next. So we can either choose a full installation, which is going to install a Faceless toolbar into our browser, or we can choose to use the custom installation. Once we select that installation, we can go ahead and click on the Next button. Now we can go ahead and choose which tasks we want Faceless to perform, and then click on the Next button once again. And finally, we're going to click on the Install button. Alright, so the installation is complete, and now we can click on the Finish button, and it's going to go ahead and launch the application. Once Faceless is installed onto your machine, and you click on the Launch button, it's going to go ahead and pop up with this web page here, and you'll see some of the features of Faceless. So if we like, we can go and click on the Start Free with Ads, or if we want, we can also buy the premium subscription. So we'll go ahead and click on the Start Free with Ads button here. And you can see that it launches a separate web page here where we can actually browse through the internet anonymously. So now I can go ahead and search through here just like I would with Google. And so as I search through the internet while Faceless is running, it's going to keep my browser session discreet, so it's not going to record any information. If we look in our system tray down here, you'll notice that Faceless is running. It's this little green check button here. And I can right click on this and I can go to the dashboard if I like. So in this dashboard you can see what your actual IP address is, and then you can see the IP address that's been created by Faceless. From here you can go ahead and configure Faceless so you can have it automatically connect at startup if you like. You can also choose to disconnect from Faceless from here as well. There's a button here where we can view a log of information from Faceless. And we can also choose which country we want to connect to. Okay, so we know that Faceless is running and that it's actively masking our IP address, but how do we actually know that the IP address has changed? So if we go into our web browser here, we're going to do a quick test just to make sure that Faceless is actively masking our IP address. So if I go ahead and head to Google, this is a quick checker to see what our IP address is. Now if I type in what's my IP in Google, Google is actually going to tell you what the IP address is here. And so you can see that the 199.115, if we look at this here and we compare it to Faceless, the new IP address created by Faceless matches. So we know that our IP address has actively changed to the one that Faceless has given us. Now if we close out of the dashboard here, and we go back to our system tray, if we right click once again, we can quickly disconnect from Faceless here or connect to it. And we can of course click on this button for traffic, and from here we can see all the traffic being logged by Faceless. So while my Faceless session is active, I can go ahead and browse through the internet. And let's say I want to go ahead and download a program or a file from the internet while Faceless is running. I can download it like I usually would through my browser. Just find the download link and download it. So you can see here that I've got a program that I want to download, and again it's downloading just like it usually would using my Chrome browser or whatever browser that you want to use, except because Faceless is currently running, it's going to keep my session anonymous. And that's really just about all there is to it. You can check out the software on the website, which is Faceless.me. So from the website you'll notice that there's a free version and there's also a premium version as well. With the free version, you have many of the same features as the premium, except your traffic is limited to 2 GB, and mobile traffic is limited to 1 GB per month. If you'd like to upgrade to the premium subscription, there's a 3-month subscription for $19.95, which is going to come out to $6.65 per month, or you can purchase the 6-month subscription for $29.95, where you're only paying $4.99 per month. And with this premium subscription, you're getting unlimited speed, you can switch between servers, and of course your traffic on both regular and mobile are going to be unlimited. That's going to be it for this tutorial on Faceless.me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.